Chidambaram. Chidambaram. I still can't pronounce the names correctly. It's very difficult. Today we're taking the train down to Trichy. Trichy or something. Should be arriving in half an hour if it's not late. Is the train going to be late? You don't know, huh? Never know, eh? Nobody ever knows. Technically, in actually 25 minutes, there'll be a train with us on it. We were lucky we actually got our seats. Yesterday, we were on the waiting list, and we were like the number 94, 95, 96, 97. And I was thinking, oh God, that's not going to be good. But it was all good. Although we do not technically not sit together, but the guy says no problem. The conductor will help us. So let's see if he will help us. Pretty cool. I mean, I love these South Indian deity pictures of statues or whatever because they're very colorful and cool. See, I don't actually not sure who that is, but it's cool. See, there's a color in there. There's a garland. She's got many arms. I like it. It's a bit deserted, but I can show you it's not because these seats, well, they're taken, and this is like the reserved class, reserved seat class. It's not the passenger train. Passenger trains are more full, you know, because they don't have a limit on tickets. They have a limit on seats, a limit on space, but not on ticket. It'd be very difficult to get back on that passenger train. I mean, because right now it's still at the school holiday season here, so not so perfect. If that is over, things will be easier. Also, there will be you will not be on the waiting list. It's just a lot of people wanting to go from one place to the other because of the holiday season, right? Oh my! I hear shouting. Are people fighting again? There's drinking water. There's something going on. The police involved. Yeah, see, those are people who are trying to get a seat first in the last second, and it's holiday season, so there's tension. It's going to be tension. These people, they all want one seat now, or they want ticket? Waiting list. I was waiting list. I got seat this morning.
Okay, confirm. This now
not confirmed. Maybe
unreserved. No. It is okay. Now okay.
I see.
Sit here. Okay.
Now holiday season.
Yeah.
That's why many people.
Yeah.
Yeah. To the S3, that's where our compartment is. I don't know what S means, and then there's B. There where B is, there's lots more people. Maybe those are not the booked number seats. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know, but we are in S3. That's the only thing I know, and it's the only thing that matters. They were fighting inside, and yeah, this guy told me that it's because of the seat, because of the reserved tickets, or not reserved tickets, not confirmed. Yeah, it's a problem, but yeah, what you gonna do? There's so many people wanting transportation, particularly now. Oh, I said that before. But anyway, let's wait for the train to come and then go to Trichy. It's strange weather. It's like windy. It's like not very sunny, and the rains will come very soon. Apparently they're already here and further down south in Kerala. I feel like in a Western movie. What are you talking about? Laura? Howard? I was waiting in that chair. Hello. This is not a passenger train at all. Merchandise, I don't know what. But they're transporting dirt or rocks. Looks like it. Right. Train is here and it's very full. Oh. Anyway. So S4. These seats are all still full. It's also a little bit full here. We kind of like got seats, but I don't know. There are way more people than there are seats, right? I don't know how it works, but we have now. It seems like we have that whole bench, which is all right. They got even there are 4 people in one for one compartment. So this is like a sleeper train. People take this normally for long distance and where they can sleep. But also they're used as day trains. Oh, check it out. All in the countryside. So the first countryside that we get to see, basically. I mean, from a train window. Let's go that way, right? Beautiful though, huh? It's a bit dry still. It's all wet, but it's not green. But these are all rice paddy fields, I suppose. See, fresh rice, fresh up rice. Very fresh there, very green. See all these birds? Welcome to the first Indian train ride. Well, on this trip. Hello, sir. Hello. Oh, sorry, late. See? Yeah. There's plenty of seats. You know, you could just lie down and have a little sleep. Huh? All good? The baby is lying on the bench. Are you guys okay? All good? All right. All right. That's not your first train ride in India, actually. No, it's not. But on this trip it is. Oh, check out the river. Yeah, holy river. I don't know what this river. There's lots of these rivers. So many in India. All good. Actually, we have 2 seats here, and we have 2 seats at another place. But I don't know. I don't understand it. Conductor did not come by yet. But anyway, we got the seat. That is the most important, right? All good. Hey, a little stowaway. Huge whale. You're a huge whale, right? We'll be in here for maybe 4 hours. That's what they told us. It's possible. Never know. The guy selling me a ticket said it will if the train's late, it will be maximum 5 minutes. But it was late about 20 minutes or 25, half an hour late. So hey, same thing with our seats. We seem to be having this bench. Nobody checked our tickets. Maybe some people think we booked the whole bench, but didn't someone else book the bench? Shouldn't that person be here? I am confused, but it's all right. I'm not complaining. I'm going with the flow. That's it. Trichy, going to Trichy. Trichy, what's a Trichy in full name? Trip. How do you say it?
I don't know.
It's a Tamil word. It's very difficult. Tripulapalam. Three. Trichy. Okay, short and easy. Trichy. You're from Trichy? You're living in Trichy? You're from there? From Trichy? Velaka? You're from Velaka? But it's in Kerala, no? Tamil Nadu? Andhra Pradesh? Ah, from Andhra Pradesh? Oh, you go holiday? Ah, okay. Very nice. We've been to Andhra Pradesh before. Very nice, like Hyderabad and some other cities.
It's very nice.
Yeah, we like it. And we have lots of people from there, actually. There, guys, from Andhra Pradesh. These are your people. Boy, you don't want to sit up there? Yeah. Kind of prefers the floor. Isn't that strange? What are you acting all hot? All good.
Hola.
Tambi. Got lots of cheese.
Wow.
We got tea cheese as well.
What do you want first?
We got lots of cheese.
Yeah?
Cheese. You want that?
This one? You want to eat it? I open it. Okay? Wow.
Did see a flash outside. I think it will starts rain maybe. I remember rain on a Indian train.
And the other one?
It was a heavy rain. There's a rabbit inside. Rabbit. Rabbit for eating? Or pet? Or eating? Eating? No. Just petting. Pet. I think they don't lay eggs, right? Oh, it's two rabbits.
Yeah.
Two
Black and
rabbits.
white.
Yeah. Where you from? You're
I'm from Andhra.
You're also from Andhra?
Oh.
You're one family.
Yes, we are
And
family.
you speak good English?
I can speak.
Because I didn't quite understand where you're going. You go to Trichy
Yes.
and you're staying there.
No. We going for camp for 7 days.
Well, like
only.
holiday.
Oh, okay, holiday.
There in Trichy.
Yes.
Trichy is nice.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Alrighty.
Switzerland.
Yeah. But long time.
What does that mean?
No, I mean, we left a long time ago.
Traveling.
Yeah, also I'm recording on
also
YouTube. Yeah.
Also a family. They have to understand you.
And we travel for long time.
Okay.
People are bringing sweets to our kids.
Have you seen Olive? What Dylan has?
It's very nice. you're leaving already?
Ah, yes.
Are you not going until Trichy?
Not good.
Here. So you're taking camp?
Yes. Not. We are going to Velangi.
So it's not far from here.
From here we going to bus.
You take a bus?
Oh yes.
And how long you on the bus?
Mini bus.
1 hour. And then that's that. Well, I wish you a good holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, not so shy. I need to cut your hair. It's slippery. Heavy and slippery. Already leaving? Bye bye. They're all leaving. Have a good trip.
Bye.
Bye bye. A big family from Andhra Pradesh taking their camp 1 hour from here. It's a big family because now the train is empty and they're all leaving. This is Mailaduturai. Mailaduturai. Hello, sir. This is incredible. There's actually a lot of people left the train. Oh. Many people go out.
Go.
This is a major place?
Free. Junction.
But so many people go off here. Mailadurai.
Main junction.
It's very difficult to pronounce. Oh, sorry, sir. Yep. This is incredible. Wow. Lots of people go out. But the train's still going further, right? Why so many people go out here?
We all are going to Velangi church.
But everybody.
Someone.
This is a popular place.
Popular.
I see.
Popular church.
Okay. Well, have a good holiday.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys. All right. Oh, sorry, sir. Lady. All right. I actually must say I couldn't understand what they were saying, but I'm sure it's a popular place. Lots of people go to that very same place. I actually did not understand. Do you understand? It's the Tamil language is maybe the hardest language. It's one of the oldest languages actually in the world. One of the oldest cultures in the world. You can see it in the language, or you can hear it. I'm good with languages, but I'm having a hard time. Bye bye. All right, so we're leaving the obviously popular place. Yeah, I've seen this on the map. Check it out. Temple, bridge. So yeah, we're in full on holiday mode, right? Mailaduturai. It is Mailaduturai Junction. Alrighty, that is it. Oh, the goats. You're the only one left here. Bye, goats. Bye bye. It's actually a beautiful, beautiful countryside. I love it. There are actually people out there at work. You know, nice. I respect that. Alrighty. Yeah, now there are a lot less people. Oh. Oh. A lot less people. Oh. Sorry, sir. Hey. That's a cool journey, actually. I wonder why these people were like almost fighting each other at the train station, but now it does not even seem full. I mean, at least there seems to have lots of places. I guess I'll never know. Ah, the freedom, guys, the freedom. What's that? What's that? You know, just think about this kind of train. You have to treat them like in the same Europe, Switzerland. Never. Everything in Switzerland is very much organized. Well, I could walk on and on, but I'm not going to. Look. Ah, there's another bed here in the midst of the coast. Hello, guys. Traveling on these trains in India, quite fun. I had something else in my mind. I thought, you know, these passenger trains and they're full. Although I mostly had a good time and met lots of nice people. It is very nice people. And it's beautiful. Asleep?
No, Dylan is disturbing her.
Oh, yeah, sure.
He's kicking and hitting.
Yeah, sure. It's got us in his blood, the violence. Check out that Shiva statue, or whatever statue that is, somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Taking a little nap or playing that stupid video game. Strangely deserted. Not sure. Please. This is strangely deserted. There are not many people on the train, but it's odd. There was, yeah, but they only went to that last place. I mean, there's still lots of people, but not like that before. It was lots of people. Very strange. But yeah, anyway, so let's arrive there and see what the city's like. So far, Tamil Nadu has been interesting, very interesting. The neighbor train also not so full. It's actually not very full at all. It's a long train again. It's very strange. You'd think there'd be lots more people.
Water bottle.
Hey, this is the salesman just hung them there because they had to go to the toilet. Past Tangible. Even more people got out. They almost fell asleep. Alrighty, I think we're approaching, well, not really approaching, but soon be there. So, this is nice here, I like it. The sky is not very blue, but it doesn't matter, right? That means it's less hot from the sun. That sun's not that hot. So this is Pont Malay. I think this is right next to it. It is awfully quiet. So we got here and it was actually only 3 hours. They told me it's 4 hours. It's very suspect, but it's okay. We're here in the beautiful TPJ railway station. Anyway, well, see you in a bit. Bye bye. Take good care.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.